My day typically starts around 8 a.m. in the morning. I just turn off my alarm so I can snooze for a little bit, but once I'm fully awake, I tend to just try to get up almost immediately, because anything that will make me stay in bed or go on my phone would just eat time out of my mornings. So I grab my Bible, I grab my devotional and my 5-minute journal as well. And I've been using this particular devotional for about 8 years. A friend of mine recommended it to me when I was in uni back in Nigeria, and it is so good. So I use that with my Good News Bible and my 5-minute journal. And what I like about the devotional is every day there's a passage, there's a Bible reading, and then there are prayer points that I go through. So I take my time to read the Bible, read the devotional, pray, and then go ahead to write my 5-minute journal, which essentially has a page for every day, and it just makes you think about things that you should be grateful for, daily affirmations that I say to myself. And as simple as this process is, I swear, it just makes me feel a lot more sort of grateful and energized and more fulfilled to start the day and for where I am at that particular point in time. Whether everything is not going great, I just look on the brighter side and focus on the positives rather than the negatives in my life. So once that is all done, I put everything to the side, I get out of bed, and I make my bed immediately, because it just makes me feel like that is one thing that I've already done, and it just makes me feel like, the day has really started. I cannot go back to that bed once it's been made. So I make my bed and I change into my workout gear and I do exercise. So today I'm just doing simple, very basic beginner yoga, because I felt really tired and my body ached a lot this particular day. So I just stretched for a bit, releasing the tension in my muscle. And I will link a video below where I learned these moves from, because I find them really, really useful and they help me relax and start my day right. So I also use it in combination with an app called 8fit, and what this app does is it gives you exercise to do every day, and you can also log in other exercise you do by the side. So it helps you to keep track of how many times in a week you work out, how much potential calorie you could burn through different exercises, different food sort of preps and recipes. And it just sort of helps me to keep in check and to take note of how many times in a week I actually do exercise. So once that is done, I go ahead and get into the shower. I just finished showering, doing my skincare, sort of moisturized my hair, because once my hair is natural like this, I need to moisturize it every day, else it's going to get really dry. Change my clothes, and I'm going to have breakfast. I like to have porridge in the morning. This is way too much porridge. I don't know what I was thinking, but I like to have porridge in the morning with some nuts, pecan nuts, hazelnut, walnuts, every type of nut that tastes good to me, aside peanuts, because those ones make me break out, but I still like them though. So I'm going to have food. I have my coffee ready. And when I eat, I actually like to either entertain myself or educate myself. So I'm either on YouTube watching a video, or I'm on my phone doing social media, or I'm on my laptop reading something, or watching a tutorial, or watching a motivational speech or video. I don't know, apparently it's not very good to watch something while you eat, but I just find I enjoy spending my time that way. Like as I'm eating, I'll be watching something or reading something. So this morning I'm going to be continuing a video I started the last time, and it was a video whereby the owner of the platform sort of brought together different business owners and sort of had them interviewed on different aspects of business. So one part was about business plan, another part was about branding, and so on and so forth. And I find the interviews very inspiring. So I'm going to be watching it on Skillshare, which I think I've mentioned a couple of times on my channel, and they are the kind sponsors of today's video. So Skillshare is an online learning community with over 20,000 videos by experts in their fields. It's really affordable compared to other learning platforms online. And what I really like about Skillshare is it covers business, it covers technology, It covers fashion, it covers design, it covers tech, finance, you know, all those areas that you really need to sort of educate yourself on that you might not necessarily learn in school, but you have to learn online or pick up from someone else. That's what I really like about Skillshare, and it's something that I've been using. I probably will continue to use, and I would highly recommend. And I have included a link in the description box which will give you 2 months a free trial, like no questions asked. You just need to click through the link, and it's only available for the first 500 people who sign up. So I'm just going to continue watching that video today, and afterwards crack on with work. I have a client's job that I need to finish this morning. I need to edit a video, and I'm traveling tomorrow, so I need to pack as well. So yeah, let's crack on with this video. So I found the video I was looking for, and it is by Jeff Staples, and it's called The Entrepreneur's Toolkit. So the video I watched on this day was an interview by Scott Sasso. I believe he owns a streetwear brand that was founded in 1990, and they covered the topic brand positioning. I think I learned a few things from that video, and he really spoke on the importance of having a unique feel and look that would distinguish you from like people who are in the same industry as you, who are in the same market as you are, and will sort of make you stand out. Having a tagline which communicates your brand message in a simple and snappy way is also quite useful, but it's something that you develop over time and you don't just get straight away. It also is important to study the market and cultural relevance and sort of apply your brand into those points as well. I'm going to link this particular video down below for anyone who wants to watch it. It's free on Skillshare, so you don't even need to become a premium member to watch this particular video, and I thought it was really useful and informative. I took down some notes as I was watching, and I plan on applying what I learned straight away, because that's how I kind of learn and that's how I work. Things just take way too much of my energy. I look up and the whole room's spinning. I went on to do some work. I had a client's job that I had to finish this morning and post it to the client because it was a really tight deadline. I went ahead to do that, and then afterwards I started another project, cut it out and started sewing it like straight away. So I had that done and finished, and I could continue doing something else during that day. It's been a very productive morning. I'm almost done with one of the garments I'm supposed to finish today. I'm just going to finish that up, finish the other one, and then, you know, just take the day as it comes. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. As you can see, my morning routine is nothing really extraordinary. I just like to start it right, so I feel really energized for the day ahead. But if you did enjoy watching this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below all of your thoughts, suggestions or ideas, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.